Welcome to the Muzzle Velocity Interactive Calculator tutorial. This calculator solves a critical ballistics engineering problem by determining projectile velocities using multiple calculation methods, allowing you to verify measurements and validate theoretical predictions against real-world data. Let's explore the calculator's capabilities. The main control is the calculation mode drop-down menu. You have 6 options: calculate from kinetic energy, calculate from trajectory data, calculate from time of flight, estimate from barrel parameters, calculate kinetic energy from velocity, and calculate recoil velocity. Each mode requires different input parameters and provides corresponding outputs. For today's demonstration, we'll select Calculate from kinetic energy. Now for a practical example. Let's calculate the muzzle velocity of a 150-grain rifle bullet with measured kinetic energy. First, select Calculate from kinetic energy from the dropdown. Enter the projectile mass as 150 grains. Input the measured kinetic energy as 2,800 foot-pounds. Click Calculate. The calculator returns a muzzle velocity of 2,901 feet per second. This output represents the projectile's speed as it exits the barrel, crucial for trajectory calculations, terminal ballistics analysis, and safety assessments. The velocity value directly impacts your downstream calculations for drop compensation, wind drift, and impact energy at various distances. One critical mistake engineers often make is mixing unit systems. Always verify your mass units match your energy units, grains with foot-pounds or grams with joules, to avoid calculation errors that could compromise your entire ballistic model. Find the link in the description below.